got a huge mess here. Tons of garbage, a lot of junk in here. So I think we're going to try to break the pressure washer out and see if we can make this thing look a little better, because it is absolutely a mess, man. Alright, so she ain't perfect. Oh, she's a whole lot cleaner. Okay, so my buddy Chris is coming here. He's got a YouTube channel as well. It's a Florida boat guy, and he actually owns a fuel tank cleaning service. So he's going to come out here and clean all the fuel out of this tank and clean the fuel tank. It's a pretty cool rig right here, man. It's got all the machines inside of there that pulls fuel and cleans these gas tanks out. Does a great job. What's up, man? It's hot out here, ain't it?
Oh my God.
This is actually a pretty cool one, man. I didn't know where the sender was. It's a little square tank right here, and the sender's up front.
Some of these Mavericks had them back here in the console.
No, this one's a good one right here. It's getting a new engine, and he wants new gas.
Okay.
The
And sometimes this goes straight down in. I don't even have to pull the sender.
yeah, it'd be great because that sender don't look so good.
2 days on job.
This is insane, man.
I just go charge it.
Alright, so we're gonna have a clean tank, man. Started unpacking all of our rigging stuff here. We got the rigging grommet boot, shifting throttle cables, bulkhead fittings, props, and all the stuff that comes in the Suzuki box. Our Suzuki controls, multifunction gauge, all our oil. So these engines come shipped with no oil. And we got our new steering ram as well. So today we're going to start pulling the shifting throttle cables, the rigging harness, and the things we need to get to the dash, mount the controls and so forth, and the engine. Got some brand new jack plate bolts as well. And then we're going to clean all this area up here. We got Claudio here today, so it's going to go faster. What's up? What's up? Check his channel out.
Claudio's Garage.
All right.
Hit that subscribe button, please.
That's right, man. Okay guys, so here's where we're at so far. Ran all our bulkhead fittings here. That's our hydraulic jack plate bulkheads. This is our rigging tube. Up at the console, got our controller in, key switch on. A bunch of the wiring tightened up here, but we still got to hook up the gauge. And about to get ready to hang this motor today. Alright guys, so we're coming along pretty good. We got the engine mounted to the boat, all brand new jack plate bolts. Got the brand new transducer down there. Just finished up our hydraulic steering. Brand new C-Star ram, bulkhead fittings. The entire engine is all rigged up, wired up and adjusted. Came out pretty good back here. It's going to look a lot better once we clean everything up. Everything up here on the dash is done. Got the new controls in. Not a huge fan of how close these controls are, but that's just the way it is. It's a very small dash. Unless we wanted to revamp this entire dash and actually move the steering over, it clears fine, but I don't like them when they're super close. Key switch came out nice on the panel, fit perfect. It was a complete mess under here, and it still is, but it is a lot better, believe it or not. Another battery's going back in here. Got to wire that in, and we still got to wire up our digital gauge in the top and bound up our wires there. When we are done with that, I think the last thing I need to do is actually pump some non-ethanol gas through this filter into the engine, take it out front and fire it up. See how it sounds, man, so make sure all our adjustments are good. And she runs nice, turns on and stops, and the gauge works. And put the prop on, then give the whole boat a bath, because I've gotten grease everywhere. This project has been a pain, man, and it's actually trashed my entire shop. Had to pull the boat into the shop today because the lightning out here was so bad. So an hour ago we had a torrential downpour and severe lightning, and now it's nice and sunny again. That's a Florida thing for you. That's better. Sure, we're going to clear the ground. All right, let's see how we shift. Forward gear. Nice. Neutral. Reverse. Click in nicely. So the engine sounds really good. Shifts nicely. I think we're successful there. My gauge is powered on, but I'm not reading anything yet, so I think we need to go through the initial settings on this gauge, which I'm not familiar with yet, so I'm going to have to read the manual, see if I can get through something here. But so far so good. We run, we shift, solid at the motor. I can disconnect my fuel tank after I'm done setting up gauge and wash this boat. And so that's it. She's all cleaned up and good to go. Thing runs good and the customer is pulling out. I want to thank you all for coming and watching my video. That was a pretty challenging install. We got everything complete and customer is happy. So thank you guys again. I really appreciate it.